This is the location where we will hold a very important event, an event that concerns all of us to celebrate, educate, network, and learn about how to protect water. In this effort, both Auroville and its bioregion must act now before it's too late. Between the 18th and the 22nd, Auroville will hold the closing ceremony of the third water festival that takes place in our bioregion. This is going to be a chance for Auroville to reach out with its bioregion and work collaboratively together to ensure water for all of us.